It's been a minute since you came and walked on in. Boy, I've been thinking of you like you're thinking of me. Now, can I be your friend? Because I ride all time of the night. And boy, I, I ride however you like. I remember when we first met you. You asked me, can I be your boo? I turned around and I said, who you? You said, banger. I said, banger. I said, I've been waiting me to meet you. You took me out and the rest was history. What we did was just a mystery. Then 5 came on through. I asked, was you okay, boo? You said I'm okay and you turned around. I said that I'll hold you down because you know I'll ride all time of the night. Alright, I ride all time of the night, and boy I ride, alright, I ride however you like.